Hey everyone, welcome to the Paperwrld channel. Today we're making a DIY phone case using our Autumn Box products. If you feel the fall spirit when you open the box, let's get started. First, we'll choose our base color. These colors are all autumn inspired and beautiful, but I'm going with green today. Let's measure as usual. Now we begin. We need to be careful here. After measuring, we can start cutting. As always, we line up the edge here. The cut is ready. We'll use this tool to smooth the edges. I love using this tool and always prefer this setting. Listen to this sound. Edges are done. Let's check if it fits in our case. This part always makes me feel it's animating. I'm worried it won't settle, but I think it's okay. It's fine. In this part, I'm placing a product to support the camera holes from below. This way, I can draw more easily. Now we can draw the holes, making the drawing smoother. Now, the most challenging part for me is cutting these holes. Let's do it together. For this part, these two tools are my saviors. They're extremely helpful to me. You need to be slow and patient when cutting the holes. I'm pressing firmly, carefully tracing over the lines. Alright, our camera holes are ready. Now to smooth out these areas. I'll explain the next step. Take a tool that can force the hole here. It can be a pen or any round object. Gently push it forward to smooth it out. Now you can see how effective it is by comparing the two. For smaller circles, I prefer this tool. It settles in gently and smooths out the circle. Our base is ready. Now we can design our phone case. We'll start with papers, of course. Look at these beautiful color tones. It's hard to choose, but I think I've picked this one. The sound of tearing paper always relaxes me. Now we can start gluing. I'm placing it carefully. See how nicely the color matches. We're continuing with more paper. This is a product I've always loved. Look at how realistic these prints are. It'll be tough to choose, but I think we can use these two. I want to add a side effect. I think it looks good like this. I'm placing this one here. Now I'm cutting carefully. Let's continue with this paper and sticker pack. I love the green and brown tones in it. I think we can use this one today. I'm sticking it on, our cover's taking shape. I want to use one of these cute little girls. You'll love them too. So many options, it's quite challenging. I think I'll use something in green tones today. Look at these details, they're amazing. I want to use this one today. I'll cut off the white edges since I don't like them, but you can keep them if you like. This is how I check where to place it, but I'm not sure. Maybe I can stick it like this. I'm carefully placing it. Here's another sticker pack. I love the products here. Let's try this butterfly. This spot looks good, so I'll put it here. I want to use a stamp from this tape. They're all nice, but let's try this one. I think it'll look good here. I really like this part of the paper. Maybe we can use it here. I think we can add a nice effect on the side. The best part of designing cases is the freedom to make it your own. I'll cut this mushroom from the stamps and add it here. Let's see how it looks. I love working on details when designing cases. Look how cute this little mushroom looks. I want to add text from this washi tape to the page. I want it to fit the page, maybe for an autumn feel. I'll add a bit more text, placing it nicely here. It matches the base well. Design's done, it's a cute case. Let's see how it looks. This is always an exciting moment. I really love the tiny details in this case. What do you think? Does this case capture the autumn spirit? Please share in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.